Okay, so I'm going to show you how to schedule posts on your Instagram account. So what you want to do first is you want to be on your home page, where you make your post, where everybody can see what you're posting, what's going on, your reels, all of that. So what you want to do is go click on the hamburger menu in the top right corner, right here. The three lines, one on top of the other. So once you do that, you can go to scheduled content. You can see if you have any content scheduled, which is what I do have here. This is one way to do it. And then from here, you just hit the plus. And then once you hit the plus, you can choose which content you want to schedule. So for me, I'm going to just use this as an example again. You click it, hit next again, and then what you want to do, obviously you can set your caption. You can tag products if you have products, tag people, add topics, but you want to go down to advanced settings. And then once you get to advanced settings, you want to scroll down a little bit to where it says scheduled content, and then you want to just hit that. So now you can choose what day you want to schedule this for. I'm going to choose Friday. It's about 6:50. I'm going to do like a morning post. So let's say like 9:45 a.m. Set that time. You can scroll down a little bit more for a few other options. Make sure you upload at the highest quality, and you can back out. It's going to say some of your settings can't be saved. That's completely fine. Just hit continue scheduling and then hit schedule. It'll upload to the server. It's at 95%, but once it's done, it'll tell you, okay, my content is scheduled for whichever day that you selected it for. And basically, that's all it takes, and that's it.